The FACHNUO 3-foot portable wheelchair ramp extends accessibility solutions with medium-capacity design accommodating 3 to 9-inch step heights throughout residential doorways, porches, and commercial entries, measuring 36 inches length by 29 inches width by 2 inches height when unfolded. This mid-size ramp provides expanded capability compared to 2-foot alternatives while maintaining remarkable portability and reasonable weight distribution. The impressive 800-pound maximum weight capacity accommodates wheelchairs, powered mobility devices, scooters, and multiple user scenarios throughout diverse accessibility applications. The non-skid anti-slip surface provides essential safety through advanced sandpaper coating, ensuring confident wheelchair operation regardless of weather or environmental moisture exposure. We share by links in description box. The portable aluminum handle design functions like convenient luggage handle, enabling effortless one-person transportation throughout diverse environments and travel scenarios. The folding mechanism compresses to 36 inches by 14.5 inches by 3.2 inches, enabling convenient vehicle storage, residential positioning, and portable maintenance. The durable lightweight aluminum construction combines exceptional strength with remarkable portability, enabling substantial load capacity while maintaining convenient handling. The straightforward setup requires merely positioning ramp and deploying included safety pins, ensuring rapid accessibility when needed. The safety features, including locking pins and slip-resistant surface, ensure confident operation throughout daily mobility challenges. The versatile applications encompassing home entries, commercial facilities, stairs, curbs, and diverse elevation transitions demonstrate comprehensive functionality. The excellent customer reviews highlighting safety, durability, and ease of use demonstrate consistent satisfaction across diverse accessibility scenarios. The outstanding value combines essential accessibility functionality, medium capacity design, impressive portability, durable construction, and reasonable pricing, establishing this ramp as exceptional choice for moderate accessibility requirements.